Alright guys, it's bench 175 and I'm about to take my scooter on the freeway. Thought I'd do this with you guys because I'm pretty sure 90% of motorcyclists have never done this. Okay, so you probably can't see because the sun's in front of me, but I'm going 70 and I'm at about 5,500 RPMs. Okay, now I'm at 75 and I'm at about 5,700 RPMs. Whoa, see that bird? I don't think there are any cops, so I mean, a lot of people do 80. Oh well. Turn my brights on. Okay, right now I'm 80, and this is about 6,000 RPMs. Yeah, and red line is 8,200, so it's pretty far from red line. Supposedly the top speed's like 106, but I've never taken it that fast. Yeah, so what it's like is I'm not sure. I can't really say because I've never ridden any other motorcycle on the freeway. I've ridden a Gixxer 750, which was my friend's, and my cousin's Honda Shadow, but never took him on the freeway. I just took him around the block. Yeah, sorry if my voice is not clear because right now I'm shivering because I forgot my inside jacket. Yeah, so they call this a touring scooter, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it could be used as a touring scooter. I mean, how the ride is it really just depends on the wind. Like, if the wind's really strong, then you can feel the bike going a little side to side, but I mean, you never really feel like you're gonna fall over. Alright, well, here's my exit. Yeah, and the scooter does have larger wheels than your normal scooter. Normal scooters have tiny wheels, but this is like that sound was my girlfriend's helmet bumping into mine. Yeah, so I have a lot more videos on YouTube, and if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be posting more moto vlogs soon. this was kind of more of a informational video because I didn't really have a topic at hand. That's why motorcycles are awesome. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys later.